So why does the display on your iPhone keeps dimming? Let's talk about it. And if you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe as there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, there are actually more reasons why this might be happening. First of all, the dimming might be caused by the automatic brightness adjustment, right? So if you, for example, use your phone outdoors and then you went like inside, then the brightness is going to go down based on the environment. So if you want to change and adjust this, go to the settings, then tap on accessibility and just go to the display and its size. And at the bottom of this, we can find the auto brightness. So this toggle is supposed to be turned off if you don't want that to be happening. The other possible issue for the display dimming might be the automatic locking of the display, and this can be found in like the main settings of the iPhone and by going inside of the display and brightness. So in there, you can just manage all of that kind of stuff. And of course, the auto lock, I personally keep it set to 5 minutes. I find that to be the most useful. But yeah, choose it however you want it to be. And also, one last reason why it might be happening is due to the temperature of the iPhone being too high. Like literally your phone might get too hot from using it intensively for like, some 3D games or exporting videos or some of these like tasks. While when your phone gets like hotter, it's encoded into the phone that the display is supposed to like dim down to help to cool the iPhone down. So I guess that might also be happening. So let me know if that's any of the reasons why it was the case for you. Hit the thumbs up if the video has helped you. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.